Good evening, Mom.
Good evening to Gagan Sai. Today is the 8th class mathematics. Chapter number 5th. Comparing quantities using proportion. Today we will learn the exercise 5.3. In Telangana State Book, page number 122. Remaining problems. 12 to 15 problems in this exercise. Are you understood of the previous
Yes.
class, Gagan Sai?
Yes.
8 to 11 problems, it's over in previous class. Today we will learn the remaining problems. Are you understood of that the previous class?
Yes, understood.
Are you any doubts?
No.
No doubts. Shall I start the today class?
Yes.
Yeah, today we will learn it one by one only. Yeah, this is you understood compounded annually, compounded half yearly, compounded quarterly. Those are topics with examples. It's over in both books, Expert Book Part 1 and Telangana State Book with the examples. It's over.
Okay.
Based on these topics, today we will learn the remaining problems. Yeah, first I read the problem in our textbook, 12th problem. Look at the textbook, be carefully, listen better neatly. I read it too. Bharati borrows an amount of rupees 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years at simple interest, and Madhuri borrows the same amount for the same time period at 10% per annum, compounded annually. Who pays more interest and by how much? Okay, this is the question. First I explain this. Explain this question only. What is given, what is asked. Bharati borrows, an amount is given, that is 12,500 rupees is given. Next, rate of interest per annum is give, that is 12%. Time period is give 3 years. You have to calculate the simple interest.
Okay.
The amount first, we have to calculate the amount on simple interest, Bharati. Okay. Next, Madhuri, another person. Madhuri borrows the same amount for the same time period, but rate of interest is different, 10% per annum, compounded annually. Bharati, we have to calculate the amount on simple interest. Next, Madhuri, we have to calculate the amount on compounded interest, but the same amount and time period is the same and rate of interest is different, 10% is given only. Next, who pays more interest? And both of you comparing which one is more, Bharati or Madhuri? Who is more interest and how much of interest? Both are Madhuri and Bharati. How to calculate those two only. Okay? Yeah, step by step solutions you write it one by one only. First given data I have to write it in our given problem. Given what is given, Bharati borrows an amount is borrows an amount is give, that 1 rupees. How much of amount is give? 12,500 amount, and rate of interest per annum is give. Per annum is how much of rate of interest is give? 12% is give. Time period is give. Time period is 3 years is give. So Madhuri is also give. Madhuri amount is same.
Wow.
And the time period is same. And the rate of interest. Interest per annum is give. Annum is how much of percentage is give. Madhuri 10%. Rate of interest is 10% is give. Next 2 point. Who pays more interest? Comparing of both interest. Who is more? Who pays more interest and by how much? Okay? Yeah. First, one by one, we write it. First, let the solution for this problem. First, Bharati. Bharati amount on simple interest you have to calculate it only. Okay. Simple interest. Bharati P amount is give. That one P is 12,500 is give. Next, rate of interest is give. Rate of interest is 12%. Next, time period is T equal to 3 years is give. Okay. Simple
Okay.
First, simple interest how to calculate it. What is the simple interest formula? PTR by 100. All are these values. P, R, T values are substituting in this formula. We will get the interest. Simple interest. 12,500 into 12 into T3 only. R is 12 by 100. Simplify this one. 2 zeros cancel. 125 into 12 3 ja 36. Product of these two terms. How much of value we will get it on. Rough work. Let us do it here. 125 into 36. 6 5 ja 30. 6 2 ja 12. 12 plus 3 15. 6 1 ja 6. 6 plus 1 7. Next 3 table. 3 5 ja 15. Next 3 2 ja 6. 6 plus 1 7. 3 1 ja 3. So sum of these two terms. 5 plus 5 is 10. 7 plus 7 14. 14 plus 1 15. Next 3 plus 1 4. How much of value we will get it? 4,500. This is the simple interest. After 3 years, she has to pay. She means is the Bharati has to pay the amount. Amount on simple interest equal to P plus I. A equal P plus I. I have to calculate the amount on simple interest. So P is, what's the P? P all are these two values are substituting in this above formula. P is 12,500 plus I is interest. Interest we got it. That one is the 4,500. Next, sum of these two terms. How much of value we will get it? 12,500 plus 4,500. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 1. So, 70,000 rupees amount. Okay, amount means is A. Bharati has to pay the amount on simple interest equal this one only. Next, another Madhuri. Madhuri has to pay the amount on compound interest. The same data, same amount and time period is same, but interest is different only. Madhuri has to pay the amount on compound interest. What's the formula? A equal to, how to calculate the amount on interest, compound interest only. So what's the formula? A equal, we know that the formula. A equal to P plus 1 plus P bracket of 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. Here P equal to same amount is, Bharat is also borrows the same amount only. So that one is rupees 12,500 rupees. Next, time period is same. Time period n equal to 3 years, same period. Next, rate of interest is different. Rate of interest is 10% is, per annum is 10% is give. So all are these all are values are substituting in this above formula. We will get the amount on simple interest, compound interest, not simple interest. A equal to P. What's the P? 12,500. Next, 1 plus R is 10% by 100 whole to the power of 3. Okay, 12,500 1 plus, here it is the 1 by 1. So take the LCM is 100. 1 comma 100 is LCM is 100 only. So denominators, equivalent the denominators. 1 is multiplied by the 100 and numerator is also 100 only. Multiplication of 100. So numerator as it is, write it only. First term. And second term is denominators is the both denominators is same. So we have to write it the numerator as it is. So 3 whole to the power of 3. Next, 12,500 into 100 plus 10 is 110 by 100 whole to the power of 3. Next, 12,500 into 110 by 100 is multiplied by 3 times. Why? Because here it is power is 3 only. So that's why 3 times. Removing the brackets. So simplify this one. 2 zeros cancel. Next, here it is the one more 0. Here it is also one more 0. These two zeros is cancel. Next, here it is the 0 cancel. Remaining product to write it only. What's 125 into 11 into 11 into 11 by 10. Yeah, first multiplication of these four terms. How much of value we will get it only. Rough work. Let us do it here. 11 into 11 is 121. 121 into 11. 11 11 ja 121. 121 into 11. How much of value we will get it? 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 ja 2, 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 ja 2, 1 1 ja 1. So 1, sum of these two terms, 2 plus 1, 3, 1 plus 2, 3, 1. So into again 125. Next 5 table. 5 1 ja 5. 5 3 ja 15. Next 5 3 ja 15. 15 plus 1 16. Next 5 1 ja 5. 5 plus 1 6. Next 2 table. 2 1 ja 2. 2 3 ja 6. 2 3 ja 6. 2 1 ja 2. Then again 1 table. 1 1 ja 1. 1 3 ja 3. 1 3 ja 3. 1 1 ja 1. So sum of these three terms. Next 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. And 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 1 13. 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 3 15. 15 plus 1 16. Next 12 plus 3 5. 5 plus 1 6. 1. So 1,66,375. 1,66,375 by 10. So denominator is 10 only. So single zero. Put the point, decimal point, numerator. Decimal point is this one. After one digit, put the decimal point. Why? Because the denominator is single zero. 10 only. So this one amount is this one. Madhuri has to pay the amount on compound interest. Amount is this one. This is the amount is A2. First Bharati amount on simple interest amount is A1 only. Both amounts, comparing of both amounts only. Bharati amount A1. Next another one Madhuri. Madhuri amount A2. Both are comparing only. What's the one? First A1. A1 is Bharati 17,000 rupees. Next Madhuri is 1,66,000. 1,06,337.51. Okay. Comparing of these two only. Which one is the bigger? Bharati's interest is more only than comparing to the Madhuri. Okay. So A1 greater than A2 only. How much of interest is more than comparing to the Madhuri? So I have to calculate that one only. Bharati interest is more than compare to the Madhuri. How much? You have to calculate how much. how much we have to calculate it. First, difference of these two amount on the interest. Difference equal to A1 minus A2. So A1 is 17,000 rupees minus A2 is 1,06,637.5. Sum of these two terms, how much of interest is more? Then comparing to Bharati and this one Madhuri. So subtracting up these two terms, and 637.5. So 0. Subtract this one. So borrowing of 10 minus 5, 5. Find. Here it is the one borrow is over, remaining is 9 only. 9 is left, 9 minus 7, 2. Next 9 minus 3, 6. Next here it is the 9 minus 3 is 9 minus 6, 6 is 3 only. So 6 minus 6, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So how much of interest is more? This one only, 362.5 rupees. Difference is this one. So yeah, first question, who pays more interest? Bharati is more interest. Therefore finally Bharati pays more interest, rupees 362.5 rupees. More interest 362.5 than Madhuri. Okay, then comparing this one, Bharati more interest. Bharati is more interest. How much of more interest? Rupees 362.5 interest. Then comparing to Madhuri. Than the Madhuri interest. This is the answer. Okay, are you understood?
Yes.
Yeah, it's over. This problem solution is over. Otherwise single is also write it only. Who pays more interest? Bharati pays more interest. Bharati pays more interest, and by how much rupees is this one? 362.5. This is the solution for this 12th problem solution. It's over. Are you clear, Gagan side? Are you understood? If any doubts, you ask me. Next we will go to the 13th problem. First of all, I read the problem in our textbook. I read it only. Machinery worth rupees 10,000 depreciated by 5%. Find its value after 1 year. First, this is the question. First I explain this problem again. Side machinery worth is amount is given, that is 10,000 rupees. Depreciated by 5% is given, or reduced or decreased after 1 year. After 1 year, its value, the machinery's value, we have to calculate it only. Okay. amount is give, that is the after 1 year I have to calculate it only. Depreciated by 5% is reduced, decreased only. So decrease means is minus. But after 1 year value you have to calculate it only. First given data I have to write it in your given problem. 13th problem. Machinery work amount is give, amount equal rupees 10,000 rupees is give. Next depreciation percentage is give. Depreciation percentage is give, that one is 5% is give. To find the value after 1 year value, after 1 year machinery, after 1 year machinery value. You have to calculate it. Let the solution for this problem. First solution, I have to write it one by one only. If machinery worth 10,000 depreciated by 5%, then the value. If machinery worth rupees 10,000 depreciated by 5%, then the value equal to 5% of machinery worth. Amount. So 5% of how much of amount? Machinery worth amount is how much of amount? 10,000 amount. So 5% you have to write it 5 by 100 into 10,000. So simplification of this one, these two zeros cancel. Next remaining product 5 into 100, 500. Okay, this is the depreciation. So after 1 year the machinery value, after 1 year the machinery value equal to, after 1 year means is first original is amount is 10,000 rupees minus depreciation amount reduced or decreased by 5%, that one, this one 500 rupees. So sum of these two terms, how much of value we will get it? 10,000 minus 500, 10,000 minus 500. Sum of these two terms, borrowing of 10, 10 minus 5, 5, next 9, 9,500 rupees. Okay. Therefore, the final answer, finally, we can say that answer is after 1 year, its value means missionary value. Its value equal to rupees 9,500. This is the final answer. Okay, this is the rough work. Are you clear, Gagans and Italy? Yeah, this is the 13th problem solution. It's over. This problem is other way is also learn it only. Other way is I explain Gagan Sai first. Depreciation percentage is 5%. So decreased only. So decreased means is or equal to minus 5%. Okay. And is that P is give, that is the 10,000 rupees only. Time period is 1 year. Next P equal to 10,000 rupees. You have to calculate the compound interest. That is also I have to calculate it only. Amount equal to P plus 1 plus R by 100 into whole to the power of n. So here P equal to 10,000. All are the values are substituting in this above formula. 1 plus R is minus 5R. This is the other method. Okay. By 100 whole to the power of 1 year. So 10,000 into 1 minus 5 by 100 whole to the power of n. Simplification of this one. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 0. So 10,000 minus, here it is the 1 minus 1 by 20. Power of 1 only. So 10,000, here it is the, take the LCM of these two only, 20, and next equivalent the denominators. 1 is multiplied by 20 and numerator is also multiplied by 20. So 20 minus, here it is the second term is denominator is same, so we write it the numerator as it is. So this one, and next 10,000 into 20 minus 1, 19 by 20. 0 0 cancel. Next 2 table, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, 0 0. So remaining only 19 5 ja, 19 5 ja, 5 9 ja, 5 9 ja, 45. So 5 1 ja, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. So 19,500 rupees. Okay. This is the depreciation. Here it is the depreciation of the machinery worth. Here P equal X, T equal to same only 1 year, and P equal to X equal 10,000 rupees. And next R equal to minus 5%. Why? Because here it is the depreciation of 5% is the machinery worth is give only. So that's why depreciation is decreasing 5% only. So minus only. Compound interest formula, but here it is the minus symbol only. You have to write it the minus symbol only. We will get the this value. Therefore, the value of its after 1 year, value equal to rupees of 9,500 rupees. Okay, this is the two ways. This problem is two ways. Today we will learn it only. This is the first one and this is the second one. Okay, are you clear, Gagan Sai? This is the solution. It's over. 13th problem solution is over. Are you clear?